the best way that I've found to do it without ruining the lead, okay, is flux your zinc, heat it up, flux it again, and then put a little dab of solder right there, and then bring the two together after you've turned your iron down just a little bit. You've got to get that zinc hot. But if you get it too hot or you work with it too long, you're going to melt the lead. So get the zinc hot, get a little bit of solder on the zinc, and then bring the two together.
Turn your iron down a bit.
And bring it together.
Just
and that's,
real quick.
again, that's the way that I do it because I don't feel like doing it twice. So that's how I do it. So, but zinc, anytime you're working with a zinc, whether you're working with, whether you're doing it and it's inside of a window and it's a bunch of straight lines and everything, y'all, that zinc has to be really hot. And I think the way that I do it should be fluxed twice, and then it will solder with no problem. It's kind of like, you know what working with zinc is very much like working with pre-tinned rebar. You have to get that hot as well in order for everything to stick to it. So just work with it. Don't get frustrated. Take your time, and everything will work out fine for you.